to SQL injection or SQLi. This is, again, one of these oldest and most prevalent vulnerabilities out there. And this is where, attackers will inject code into SQL queries in input fields. And one of the examples, of course, is where or 1 equals 1 to get back an entire list from a query. So, Bar, talk a little bit about SQL injection attacks.
Sure. So SQL injection, I'm pretty sure, are even older than cross-site scripting. You can't say PHP without thinking about SQL injection. The main idea here is that in the end, most web applications and applications in general talk with some kind of database, right? You have your users' information, you store your password, you store state, you store the information that the user upload or just enter into the application. And when you do that, so for example, you have a search field that allows you to search different products. If you take this field and you put there usually, let's say, soap. So you take this user input, you go to the database, you insert it into some kind of query, like select all products that has soap in their name. And then you render back to the user all of the products that has soap. Now, if the user is able to change the query, instead of writing soap, he will just end the query and do that drop table products. Then your application goes kaput, basically.
That's a stack.
Yeah, and then you just boom, no more database. So there are also other cases, and I think there are two interesting cases when we're talking about SQL injection. One is obviously most people won't draw the database because they don't care about just harming. They will read the whole database. They will get the information and then get exposed to information that you don't want them exposed, right? They can see all the usernames, all the secrets that you have there. And in some rare cases, there's also the possibility to execute operating system commands via SQL injection on the server that is running the SQL database.